Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Here we are at the front left side of the C3, and look what's happening here. I have the sway bar and link disconnected. You know what that means. Shock absorber is out. Do you know what that means? All right, well, I sprung for the QA1s. I had already bought some new shocks, actually a long time ago. Very optimistic about the timeline of this project. And, you know, I ordered the Van Steel mono leaf spring, synthetic thing for the back. And I just started thinking about ride height adjustability, and how, probably want to replace the springs anyway. I'm sure these are original. And so rather than just replace the shocks, for a few $100 more, and going with the QA1. So just for those of you who are curious, I got these. That's too many numbers to look at, so I'll just tell you these are the 450 spring rates. I have not taken them out of the box. Maybe I could do that right now. Live on camera with one hand. No, I can't. I give up. I'll check with you guys later. But the shocks are here, springs are here. There's plenty of videos on how to install all this stuff. I'm not going to make a whole install video. I'm just showing you that that's what I'm doing. One thing I did order, though, is the Aldon, the plates that go down in the bottom of the control arm down here. So there's these metal plates that spread out the load across the whole bottom, because the shocks, if you watch any videos on this, you see that the shock, you just mount it, right? And it's just 2 points. It mounts in the bottom of the control arm, and that makes me a little nervous. It also obviously has made a lot of other people a little nervous that you're taking this giant area where the whole spring was spread out in a circle, and then you're just focusing all of that on this one little area, 2 bolt positions. It's not a recipe for success, in my opinion. So I did order those plates. I think they cost me $70 from Summit, plus with shipping and tax. But in the big picture, I feel better having those. So I'll check back with you guys later. This is just a little update video. It's a beautiful sunny day, and just thought I'd share part of the journey with you guys. So that's what's coming up. If you have any useful advice, feel free to leave it in the comments. If you have other kinds of advice, I don't know. You can leave it, whatever. I don't really care. Entertain yourself. All right. Check in with you guys later.